Hey guys, it's Melody Lane, and look what we have. I have to give credit to my son, Beard Adventures, who put this together. But we have a mystery box, a Marvel mystery box, and this is one of the images. This is the first time he put one of these together, and he has a video on his channel, link in the description below, to watch him put this together. This is from the Cricut Marvel Digital Mystery Box. Let me show you everything else that's in it. Isn't that so cool? Here's some more. This is the cartridge he worked from. So this is Marvel Action Posters. So you can glue all of these pieces flat together. You can change the colors as he did. Aren't they so cool? This is the one he did, and as you can see, he did change the colors. This is a digital mystery box. That means you get digital images instantly. There's nothing being shipped to you. Marvel Guardians of the Galaxy badges. 24 images of these. These would be awesome with an iron-on or infusible ink. You can make coasters. You can put it on a card. You can put it on bags, sweatshirts, hoodies, book bags, anything like that. I like this one. The most dangerous woman in the galaxy. Very cool. Marvel goes retro. So these are the older images from like when I was a kid. Look, a peeking Captain America. These are printable images, but you can do print and cut. You can do print and cut iron-on. You can do print and cut stickers. You can do print and cut cardstock. These are really cool. And that's not all. You also get Marvel comic characters. These are like right from the comics. These are also printable. So when you get a digital mystery box, you purchase it through your account with the link in the description below, and you instantly have it in your design space. You do have to have a Cricut machine to cut these out, but in your design space, you will instantly have these images. To easily find images that you purchased or cartridges that you purchased, just click on cartridges and then click on filter to purchased. And it will show all of the Cricut cartridges that you've purchased. Now, in mine, I've purchased a whole lot, so I won't see those right away. But you can also search right here for Marvel, and it'll give me the purchased Marvel images that I have purchased. Now, these will never be in Cricut Access. They usually go away after a time unless you purchase them. So any images or cartridges that I have purchased will never leave my account. They will always be in my account. So if you want to have access to these forever, you have to purchase them now, because they might not always be here. All right, guys, if you want to make some Marvel projects, use the link in the description. My code does not work on digital images, and these are only available in the United States. I'm sorry, Cricut only has a license to sell them in the United States. Leave me a comment and tell me what you want to make first with this digital mystery box. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.